Welcome to the hair vlog. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I just decided as a hairstylist, this is what we do, that I want to make this layered bob shorter than what it is, right? I also probably want to recolor it just to touch up the red because I did use the Ruby Red by Joico. So that's what we'll be doing in today's video. Yeah, today's vlog, I'm just doing a lot of my wigs. So this one right here, I'm going to shampoo, wash, and it will be finger waved pretty much. So haven't decided if I'm gonna do that with rollers or if I'm gonna do it with a wand, but you'll be able to see that in the next video. So today, let's go ahead and jump into it. Okay, y'all, so we are gonna start by brushing through the wig, and then I'm actually going to wet this wig. But before I start any of that, we're gonna go ahead and do our pin placement. I'm gonna just stick pins not on the part line because I don't want to make any holes inside of my lace. So she has been put up, so we are going to just brush through really quickly. Now we could do a dry cut, but I am going to start this off as a wet cut and blow it out and probably go in with my clippers. I don't really always like to do clippers on wigs just because of the fact that it'll dull your clippers. Another common mistake that I see when people do things like this, they'll cut the hair even with the foam head and stuff like this, and this is going to make your wig entirely too short. So me, I kind of want to play off of the second row of layers, which would be about here. I did customize this wig to frame my face, and I want to kind of go about here. So this is going to be my guide all the way around the wig to take off almost 2.5 inches off this wig. All right, y'all. So let's have a little bit of salon talk while I sit here and cut and do this wig, because y'all can see what I'm doing. So this year done started off a little crazy. First and foremost, let's say this. Y'all remember Nia Long husband embarrassed her? Y'all remember how he embarrassed her last year, right? Messing with the help. That's what we're going to call it, the help, because that's what we're going to say. But baby, now I don't never say child support is supposed to be no payday, but baby, the way she about to be paid. You know how the actresses and actors were on strike. Baby is about to be paid. Who I did not even know her husband was making that much money. So I don't know. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about that, because y'all remember I did a video one time before talking about what's her face off of the Tyler Perry movies, and she was actually having to pay all that money in alimony to her husband. I can't remember that girl name right now, but yeah, I don't know. This year's starting off a little crazy because Cat Williamson came out here and broke the internet, baby. He said it's not Beyonce's internet. It is his internet. Baby, y'all know I'm a Virgo, and he out here showing out. Because let me tell you something. One thing about us, everybody talking about he came with receipts. No, we don't keep receipts, y'all. We just pay attention, right? And that moment that you try to get in there and lie or say something or do something that you know ain't right, we come out and we speak our truth. So anyways, I just wanted to say that because we're in the shop talking. I'm going to get back to the video for y'all because I want y'all to see how I'm doing this. Y'all go ahead and let me know in the comments though what y'all think and feel about this, because it's y'all. Are we really starting 2024 like this? I've been watching everybody do their little vision boards and all their little stuff, and baby, they said this is the year of expose, honey. So if y'all got some skeletons, girl, keep that in your house. Don't bring that in the shop. Keep that in the house. Oh, that's pretty. I also got to find some of my shows and go sit down and watch it since it's raining today. Because, like, I've been watching Sisters and, oh, my God. Like, I'm so over. Girl, we done came back this season and not caring. She big, stupid, pregnant. It's just like, is that Jason Weaver? I think that's Jason Weaver. They got Jason Weaver on there. Is that Jason Weaver? You know, the one that played the little baby Michael Jackson. Anyways, it's just a lot going on with that show. And then there's other shows that I'm watching too. So now we're going to go in. I'm actually going to pull out my Nano Baby Bliss flat iron. Y'all know I have tons of tools. I guess that's part of being a stylist, right? But this one gets really, really hot, so it's gonna do really good on my wigs. I don't really like to put this on my own natural hair too much because I am thin, and so it kind of just it just do some things to my hair, child. You know, you gotta put it on really low heat if you're using it on your own hair. It lets me know my child took my clips, so I'm gonna excuse me, I'm gonna just use some single prong clips because they got all my stuff upstairs. And I'm gonna section off my bob and really, really straighten it out, and then we're gonna try it on and see where it's hitting. If you're not comfortable with like guidelines and stuff like that, I would definitely just suggest trying it on as you're cutting it. But do keep in mind that every time you take the wig off the wig stand and you reposition it, the wig is going to hit a little differently, so your cut can come out a little uneven. I definitely suggest cutting it wet. It gives you a cleaner cut. I really didn't have to go in and cross correct anything. And I know a lot of people, you're like, well, you're a hairstylist, so you know you have the expertise in that and stuff, but this is why I'm doing this, to help y'all at home, because I see so many people come on here with the big old craft scissors and, oh my God, the you know, sewing scissors, and it just be, child. I do not think that I'm going to do the dyeing today, but at some point I am going to retouch this wig at some point. Now there will still be layers in this wig, y'all, when I get to the front, because initially I had cut layers in this wig, but I think with the shorter length I'm gonna love it even more now. Now I haven't touched up this color, but of course with the Joy Coat Intensity, you know, when you wet it per shampoo, it will rub off. So that's why you see it on my hands. And this color has been on here, on this wig, for some years, and it's still rubbing off. But you can use the cuticle sealer, and this will always help you seal in your color and your cuticles. Fun tip. That's just a little, that's just me giving y'all the tea. That's all. She's a straight, honey. She's straight. And that's what I wanted. On this wig, should I say. My other wig, we gonna wave her up. I love curly and wavy hair. Maybe because my hair is curly and wavy. And the curly and wavy that I get on a wig is the fullness I wish I had on my own hair. But if y'all go check out my last video, it talks about how to, you know, get that fullness and stuff. Now you can do volumizing shampoos and things like that too, but I show y'all a way just to kind of like quickly get it at home if you have thin hair like mine. Okay, so just to cross-check my layers that are kind of in the front, because like I said, this wig was previously layered. I think I'm gonna be okay with that. I think I'll be fine because this is apart, right? And when I bring that back over, it just gives a little, not a lot, but a little framing around the face some. And I don't want to take it too short over here because, see, I could kind of go in there and bring it down some. I just don't know if I want to. All right, y'all. So here it is finished. It came out super good. As you guys see right here, this is where it was kind of like previously layered in the front. I do not have the wig glued down or anything, or bobby pinned down. I think that I am not going to put any layering on this side. I'm gonna just leave it kind of here. And if I ever decide to curl it or whatever, you know, then I might even go in with my tapering, or either just like do some point cutting right there to soften it, because usually I don't wear this wig bone straight. Definitely I'm gonna have to recolor it though, because you can see like the color is starting to fade out. It's not as vibrant as she once was, but honey, she will still do, especially for like this winter season. And this is not a clipper cut, y'all. This is me doing it with my shears and just pressing the wig out. So I hope that y'all enjoyed this little hair vlog today. Like I said, y'all better catch some more. And who knows, we might add more to the vlog or we might not. I don't know. But for right now, we out. Let me go decide if I'm going to do some lashes or anything today. Because like I said, it's raining outside. Bad, bad.